In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Freshworks. We'll start from a simple Google search and smoothly work our way to the place where you can talk with the Freshworks team about Freshdesk. I'll walk you through each click, explain what you'll see, and share quick tips so nothing slows you down. Begin by opening your browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type Freshdesk and press enter. Take a second to verify you're heading to the official site. You're looking for a result that points to freshworks.com/freshdesk, which is the Freshdesk product page under the Freshworks umbrella. If you see ads at the top, just make sure the link you choose is the official Freshworks domain before you continue. Click the Freshdesk result to open the site. When the page loads, you may see a cookie consent banner. To move forward quickly, click Accept All. If you don't see the banner, that's fine. Some browsers or previous visits hide it. The goal is simply to get to the main Freshdesk product page without anything blocking the screen. From the Freshdesk page, look for the support option in the site's navigation. This is often found at the top menu, but it may also appear in the footer, depending on layout or your region. Click Support to open the Freshworks Support Hub. On the Support Hub, find the section that says Reach Out to Our Sales Team and Global Offices and click it. This area collects regional contact information and routes you to the right place for sales conversations or location-specific assistance, which is perfect when you're not sure who to speak with yet. Next, on the Contact Overview page, select Contact Freshworks. This centralizes the ways to get in touch across products and teams. It's helpful because Freshworks offers multiple products, and this page keeps you pointed to the correct channel without having to backtrack. Finally, choose Talk with Our Team. This will open a page or widget where you can begin a conversation with a specialist. Typically, you'll see a short form or scheduling option. It's useful to have a few details ready, like the product you're interested in, a brief summary of your use case, and your preferred contact method, so you can move through this step quickly. The exact fields may vary by region or browser, so don't worry if your screen looks slightly different. That's it. You searched for Freshdesk, opened the official site, accepted cookies if prompted, navigated to support, selected the sales and global offices route, moved into Contact Freshworks, and then chose Talk with Our Team. If the layout changes in the future, just remember the path: Freshdesk page, support, contact options, then talk to the team.